Hello everyone, this is Harless58 signing on to do a unboxing video. If you have read the description, you know that this is the iPhone XS Max, and I am in the process of officially switching over from Android. A couple of different reasons as to why I'm switching over. The main reason is just because of ecosystem. I really wanted Android's ecosystem to be exactly pretty much what Apple's is, but Google is continuously letting me down. Albeit Google does have an event coming up next, I think a week and a half from now on October 9th. So maybe something will change, but I'm just tired of not having the full, ecosystem of having a device with a watch, and the whole iMessage experience. And really, I will say, to be honest with you guys, about 40 to 50% of this had to do with the Apple Watch, which still hasn't come in. I've ordered it, and it should be arriving. I ordered the stainless steel gold one, and I think it's going to arrive like the later half of October. So I have been looking for a watch that's really good at notifications, really good at tracking workouts, but I also want something that I can just take with me to go work out and not have to bring my cell phone. And unfortunately for Android, there's nothing like that with Wear OS as of right now. Nothing with LTE. The LG smartwatch that came out about a year and a half ago had LTE, and the battery life was horrendous. And the watch itself is pretty much not usable. If you took that watch out and you used it, after about like an hour, it was dead, which is crazy. So I just decided to pack up my bags, and also some of the things that Google's been doing with agreeing with China to make this censored internet. I don't like the fact that Google's been pushing these updates to selected users without their consent. It's a little weird to me. So yeah, so I'm officially switching over to iPhone. So this is my first time. This is not my first time using an Apple product. So, I originally had the iPhone 4 before. Last year, I was gonna switch with the iPhone 10, and my wife hated iOS 11. Basically, it was way too many bugs. So because of that, we didn't switch. Okay, so box is pretty nice. I haven't really unboxed. Well, I guess I unboxed the iPhone 8 last year, but this is really nice. I like the presentation so far. This is the iPhone XS. I like this color. Feels really nice in the hand, nice and hefty, nice weight to it. I mean, you guys know all these other things, the charging brick and the not earpods, but I guess they're earpods, and the AirPods are the other ones. And then the standard lightning cable. I did also purchase a fast charger, and I did buy the cord from Apple. As a matter of fact, let me go grab it right now. So this was, I think, $30 from Best Buy. I don't remember exactly, but this is the lightning to USB-C that you will need if you want to get fast charging on the iPhone, unfortunately. And then this is the Anker fast charger that I got. I think it's like 27 watts. And this is specifically from Type C, or it has a Type C outlet, which I guess I can go ahead and show you guys. Yes, this was sort of an expensive upgrade. This is the 256 gigabyte variant, so a little pricey. And when you add in the fact all these accessories that I had purchased, this is on the more expensive side. And I will admit, of course, that Android is less expensive, but like I said, the whole Google security thing and the ecosystem, I know you have to pay to play, like Flossie Carter always says, so I decided to pay, see if I like this experience. If I do, then I'll be with the iPhone. So this is the Anker fast charger here, just Type C. So that's pretty much it, just a unboxing video. That's all I wanted to show you guys and let you guys know that I am switching from Android to iOS. I'll give you guys my impressions maybe after a week, and then once I get the Apple Watch Series 4, I'll go ahead and give you guys my impression on that. And give you like a little long-term impression. So yes, I'm switching over to iOS. I already told you guys the reasons why. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm going into this positively, thinking hopefully this works out. If it doesn't, then I'll go back to my S9 Plus or Google Pixel, or we'll see. So it's Harless58 signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you later.